So, dito naman tayo kay Beanie Joanna. Ang kailangan nating tingnan would be the tonneau shape case. Una yan. And then the size of the case as well. I think looking at this photo, medyo malaki-laki yung relo kay Beanie Joanna. No? Aside from that, let's look at the integrated bracelet style. And if you look closely at the dial, parang ice blue yung dial niya. And dahil sa mga katangian niya, tingko this up, Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. It's one of Tissot's most impactful releases in this decade, if not one of the most impactful releases, full stop. And I think with this kind of watch na integrated bracelet style, medyo uso kasi yan. And I think the ice blue variant sells higher on the secondary market compared to other variants. This watch retails for 49,400 Philippine pesos. Yung alternative na napili ko for you, kung idol nyo si Beanie Joanna, would be the Casio Edifice EFR S108DE 2AV. So kaya ko pinapresenta ang alternative na ito. Number one, because of the integrated bracelet style. Number two would be the frosty vibe. So when you look at this watch, one of the key concessions actually is na hindi to ice blue dial, but there's a very similar frosty icy vibe that comes with the finish on this dial, and I think it's quite a good looking watch. So ang relo naman na ito, it retails for 10,780 pesos, and that's quite a distance from the almost 50,000 retail price of the PRX.